In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an Ionos account step by step so you can get set up quickly and confidently, even if this is your first time using the platform. First, open your web browser and go to ionos.com. Make sure you're on the official site and give it a moment to load. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice there are several different products and services featured, like domains, email, hosting, and website tools. To create an account, you'll start by picking one of these services to get the process going. You'll need to select a product to begin. Ionos is designed so that your account is created as part of signing up for a service. You can choose anything that fits what you want to do, but there's a simple approach if you just want to get an account set up for now and don't have a full project planned yet. Today, I'll show you how to do that in the easiest way. If you mainly want an account for now, the most straightforward option is usually to start with either a domain or an email plan. Ionos often offers domains for around $1 per year for many extensions and basic email plans for around $1 per month. These low-cost options are handy because they let you register and create your account without a big commitment, and you can always add more services later. Let's say you decide to start with a domain. On the homepage, look for the option to search for a domain name. Click into the domain search box and type the name you'd like to register. Try to keep it simple, easy to remember, and related to your brand or purpose if you already have one in mind. Once you've entered your desired domain name, run the search to check its availability. The system will quickly tell you whether that exact name is available or already taken. If it's available, you'll usually see a button or link that lets you add it to your cart. Go ahead and click Add to Cart to move forward. If it isn't available, try a slight variation, a different spelling, or another extension until you find one that works for you. After the domain is added to your cart, you'll be guided to configure your plan. This is where Ionos may offer optional extras such as privacy protection, website builders, or additional tools and services. These are not required for creating your account. If you're just setting things up and don't want to commit to extras right now, you can simply skip them. Look for the option that says continue to cart or something similar and click that to proceed without adding the additional features. At this point, you'll see your cart with the product you selected, such as your domain or email plan, along with the price and billing period. Review the details to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to move on, start the checkout process by clicking the button labeled Continue or Checkout. From here, Ionos will walk you through creating your customer account, entering your personal details, and finalizing your order. Once that's completed, your new Ionos account will be ready to use, and you'll be all set to manage your domain or email and expand to other services whenever you're ready.